Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm going to give some of my Christmas baubles a makeover today, and I've got a box here full of silver ones that I want to change the colour because I don't want silver as my Christmas tree theme this year. I want it sort of like teal and a little bit darker than duck egg. I've never painted baubles before, and I'm going to try, as I said, and see how they turn out. What can really go wrong, you know? So I'm going to do that. I've got some paints here. I've got this one that looks like teal. It really looks like teal in the tube, but when I open it, it looks very, very green. But then, no, it's teal. So what I can do is mix some of this. If I mix some of this, and then what I can do to lighten it up a bit, I can also put some white in it to lighten it up. So I've got two plates here if I want to do any mixing. I've got these cheap sponges that you get like 10 or 20 the packet for £1 from our pound shop in the UK. A couple of little sticks to mix. I'm quite excited to get this done because this time of the year the decorations are very, very expensive, but if you wait until the new year when they're selling out all their stock, you get them for little and nothing. That is why I opted to paint instead of to buy. Oh, that's pretty. Because if it's too dark, I'll just lighten it up a bit with some white paint. A lot of the time, it's just use what you have indoors. I start a craft project, I never make it a chore. It's always a really nice, relaxing project. I just enjoy myself while I'm doing it. It's never a chore for me. So I asked myself, would it have been better just to buy the colours that I needed, or is this worth the effort of just, you know, going around and painting them? And I think it's definitely worth the effort for me, personally speaking, because this is just so therapeutic. And because you're concentrating so much, you just forget about things, you know, and just concentrate on what you're actually doing. That's why I love crafting so much. Anyway, I hope you're all fine. I hope you're doing well and you're looking after yourselves. I'm just getting up and putting these to dry. I've got these hooks that goes into my slap board. I've got a big slap board there where I've got all my stickers and everything on. If you do want to see that in my craft room, you can actually go back to my video. I'll link the video in the description below so you can see what I'm talking about. But I've got the slats board and I use these, you know, to hook on to the slats and put up all my bits and pieces on there, and they really come in handy. So that's what I'm hanging the balls on at the moment. So I'm just putting some extra ones up on the slat board.